This is Dipanshu Kushwaha. Hey Deepu! Any relationship advice for our single friends?
I am always single.
Any
Whatever you are learning here, it will be directly applicable to your future in it.
you guys have any? You guys have any?
I'm not a simp like you.
Ask a simple question. Do you have any girlfriend?
क्या होता है भाई?
7 touch.
Crush, but she seems like
Okay. So guys, do you
Attendance is okay.
and and also consider the girls to boys ratio and all.
okay? You wanted to have me as a roommate next year? Any relationships advice for our like single boys? This one.
Yeah. Subscribe.
So hello everyone, this is Dipanshu Kushwaha, and right now I'm in IIST, and we just cleared our first semester. So now we will go to our friends and ask about their experience of our first semester, and we just prepare this list of some basic questions. So we will ask from this only. So I will start from my roommate. Krishna Kaushik, can you please stand? Okay, if you don't mind. Okay. So, first of all, you are from Hyderabad, right? Okay. So, say hi in your language, like how you greet to the people.
అందరికీ నమస్కారములు నా పేరు కృష్ణ కౌశిక్
Okay. It was Telugu, right?
తెలుగు
Okay. So, Kaushik, two habits that you like about me, like the experience that you got from the last 4 months.
chilling in weekends and always sleeping on the couch. That's it.
These things you like about me. Okay. And two, you don't like.
Don't like you don't wash your face after coming from the cricket. Yeah, only that thing. There are
Okay, now I will wash. Okay, so you wanted to have me as a roommate next year. Like,
Yeah, of course. I want you as my roommate.
thank you. Reason? Any reason?
Because you don't disturb me and you support me through academic
Okay, so one thing you will do if you are assigned as a dean of.
I'll reduce the attendance criteria to 60%, not 80%, and I'll try to improve the sports facilities, especially cricket ground. I need that cricket ground.
Anything for your junior, like.
There are no tips, but I encourage them to join IIST because the aerospace course is very nice. Because in NEP you have new courses included, and which helps in the practical and theoretical knowledge both. So I find IIST is good for aerospace. Aerospace engineers have a huge scope in the future, so I give this advice to the
So we just ended with our first semester, so expected CG. That what you expected?
we shouldn't talk about
any rough idea, bro?
maybe 7.5 to 8. That's it. I didn't study well this semester, so next semester.
So things that you learned from this semester.
Education in Inter and BTech are very much different, and nothing.
Okay, so name of your crush. Telugu crush. They are senior or from our
I
batch.
don't have any crush in IIST, but I have in IIT Kanpur. I don't want to say her name.
She's your friend or something.
Friends,
Okay. So it was nice concern with you. So we will go to the like next other one. So first of all, guys, introduce yourself.
My name's Krish. I'm from. Acha. कोई नहीं.
My name is Mohit Yadav. I am from Rajasthan.
My name is Shaurya Singh from UP. My name is Parth Kumar Mishra. I am from Jharkhand, Ranchi.
My name is Parth and I'm from Maharashtra.
Okay. So one thing you will do if you are assigned as our dean of our college.
Improve the sports facilities.
Sports facility and more lab activities to the students.
Attendance is good. 80%.
Abstain. I won't do. मैं नहीं बोलूँगा इसके ऊपर.
Comment on our mess food.
Don't know. Haven't tasted it.
Same.
Comment on our mess food.
Shit. ब्रो स्टार्टिंग में तो अच्छा था बट जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़े ना उसके बाद तो रेट हो गया पूरा
हाँ सेम. अभी तक कोई एनिमल मेरे फूड में तो नहीं निकला लेकिन बाकी के लोगों में निकल चुका।
हमारे फूड में वॉर्म आया था.
No. But mess food has variety. Every day there's a new insect.
वैरायटी है बट क्वालिटी नहीं है ना. क्वांटिटी इज लाइक ओके.
मेरे रूममेट के खाने में से एक कीड़ा निकला था.
Okay, so anything for our juniors, like those who are preparing for J1s right now and like wanted to be in IST in the like, upcoming years. So like any further.
Start from there. Start from there.
We'll come to you.
Start from there, bro. I need to think.
So, guys.
Right. If you want the student life, don't come to IST.
Research. For research, come.
Research, it's there. Studies are good.
स्टडी के लिए अच्छा है, मज़े के लिए अच्छा नहीं है.
Don't come to IST.
Bro, you can come. It's your choice.
Like why IIST? Like we can go to the IIT and IIT now. Like why specifically?
अगर बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस हो लाइफ को लेके ना कि यही स्पेसिफिक चीज़ करना है तब IST में आओ.
Unless you're passionate, you cannot like study in IST because the subjects are very heavy.
Same as them.
So guys, we just has ended with our first semester. So what you have like expected CG? Like you have depending upon your hard work that you guys did. Depending upon the hard work that you guys did in this semester, what is your expected CGPA?
No comment.
No comments. अपना बता दे इतना पूछ रहा तो.
What about the interviewer? What about?
Hey, ECE branch. So where are you from?
I'm from India.
One thing you will do if you are assigned as a dean of our college.
I don't know what Dean does.
Yes.
One thing you will do if you are assigned as a dean of our college.
Remove S from IST.
Oh, nice one. Okay, so we just has ended with our first semester. So what is your expected CGPA?
See, one thing I must tell you, you mustn't ask a woman her age and a man his CGPA.
An engineer is CGPA.
What?
Expected CG.
Expected something. Positive number.
Negative scale पे नहीं है bro.
Okay, guys, this question is for all. Things that you learned from this semester.
Study and
Like-
study and study.
Daily or like the last?
Daily. You must study daily. At least dedicate 3 to 4 hours.
3 to 4 hours.
Yes.
You need better time management for balancing extracurriculars as well.
Don't sleep in class.
3 to 4 bad words. And yeah, that's all. Diversity in Galia.
Study.
Bad words in different languages.
Oh, we have bad words in different languages. We have Tamil, Telugu. Like anything for our junior, like those who are preparing for J1s right now. Like I wanted to be in IST in upcoming years.
I think 100 times before coming here, and and also consider the girls to boys ratio and all. Yeah, that's all.
Any relationships advice for our like single boys? This one.
Yeah. No, it's a very difficult thing. You should not hurry. I don't know, bro.
Do you think having someone in our life like is better, good, like having someone?
Can be answered much better by the interview.
Having someone in life is necessary, but that doesn't mean you should have a girlfriend or something like that.
Nice. We have our parents now.
You need character development potential.
What was that?
You need character development. Good question, भाई. वो depend करता है.
बेहतर है ऐसा होगा या फिर ऐसा होगा.
So why IIST? Why not IIT or NIT?
No other option.
No other option. IIT खड़गपुर में ओशियन थोड़ी लूँगा मैं.
Like
No, bro. If you want to do aerospace, right? The course is very well defined. especially for aerospace. Like,
research.
it is there.
सब इसी वाले हैं.
Shit. Shit.
Bro, aero वाला ही है ना इसको लाओ.
अरे वो क्या है ना एरो वाले अभी एरो वाले पढ़ने में बिजी हैं तो लाइक दैट्स नेम ऑफ योर क्रश लाइक फ्रॉम सीनियर you guys have any
I'm not a simp like you.
that you is not me, okay? That you is not me, right? Cameraman. I know cameraman.
The interviewer.
What?
Do you have any crush?
Nah.
युवराज सिंह तोमर.
Yeah, every girl is a crush, bro.
Every girl in IST is her crush.
Okay, anything that you want to say, like to the my audience.
What?
Say. कुछ कहना चाहते हो? Anything.
Nothing, bro. Nothing to say. Subscribe.
अबे मत करो. ये पैसे देने के लायक नहीं.
Report this video as much as possible.
So as you know, we have a 3 occupancy in our IST hostel. So this is my second roommate, Nishkalan, and he is also ex-BR of our college. Okay, so Nish, say hi in your language.
Vanakkam.
It was Tamil?
Yeah, it is Tamil.
Okay. 2 habits that you like about me, as I'm your roommate, so...
The good thing is that he never stays in the room, so I get time. And second thing will be, he lets me charge my headphones.
Okay. And 2 that you don't like.
He sleeps always. It irritates me. He has the window, that also irritates me.
Okay. You wanted to have me as a roommate next year?
Probably. Maybe.
One thing you will do if you are assigned as a dean of our college.
Dean?
Yeah.
I would try to build a good football ground.
Sports facility. Comment on our mess.
I've never eaten in mess.
Memorable moment from first semester, like any fun incident that you remembered?
Funny incident would be when I slept during that movie interview, and later I woke up and the first one to get asked about the review was me. And I didn't know.
So as our first semester has ended, so what is your expected CGPA?
No expectations. All clear.
Yeah. Anything for our junior, like those who are preparing for J1s right now and wanted to be in IST in upcoming years. So for those, any tips?
Study well. Come here. Have fun. We are here to help you.
Nice.
All the best.
Why IIST? Like, why not IIT or NIT?
If you get this, come here. Otherwise, don't.
Name of your crush?
Crush? I don't have crushes, bro.
Any relationship advice for our single friends?
I am always single.
I know you are single. Okay. It was nice conversation with you.
See you.
Bye bye. Guys, say Deepu. पढ़ाई कर रहे हो? पढ़ाई करो. अरे हाँ वो guys, you have like 2 or 3 minutes for me, please. Okay, wait. Okay, so first of all,
Welcome back to my channel.
इधर आजा फ्रेम में. So first of all, introduce yourself. Like, what's your name?
Omkar. Farohar. Himanshu. Aryan. Ishan.
Okay, and where you guys from? Like,
Mumbai. Lucknow.
Mumbai. Okay. So my first question is, one thing you will do if you are assigned as a dean of our college, like you will change any rules to
In time hata do.
And what about attendance? Like, it is good? 80.
What's the use of the attendance? What's the use of the attendance? अरे यार वो AC देते हैं तो आके सो सकते हैं आराम से.
Like, we can sleep properly now. So that's
डीन बनेगा तो क्या करेगा?
What?
मेस।
Oh, nice.
क्या ही प्यारा मेस, एक वर्ड इज वन वर्ड इज इनफ।
I can understand. A memorable moment from first semester, like any fun incident that you can.
फ्रेशर्स।
What you guys did like on that?
आफ्टर मिड सेम। ओ द नाइट ऑफ थर्मो असाइनमेंट सबमिशन।
Everyone. Okay. So, guys. Anything for your junior, like who are preparing for JEE Advanced like right now and wanted to be in IST?
aside from that, this is the place you want to be if you are genuinely passionate, like on a very serious, if you're passionate about rocket science and you really want to do research, you want to work in ISRO, or you want have aspirations that way, this is the best place for you to be. No matter what any IIT can provide you in terms of package, this is the place where you will actually like fulfill your dream towards contributing to this country's space program.
Nice. So we just has ended to our first semester. Expected CG, like depending upon your hard work that you did.
CGPA?
Any
सोलोमन सर को पूछो, बताएंगे।
expected CG. Oh, nice.
बस
Toppers.
बस 10 से ऊपर आ जाएगी।
Not S grade.
Not as great, not as great.
Expected CG.
10 से ऊपर ना भाई।
लटकना है। 15.
Okay. Things that you learned from this semester.
कि ऑन इट्स ओन टाइम बकचोदी करना अच्छा है, बट कभी कभी पढ़ लेना भी चाहिए। एंड बॉयज हॉस्टल बहुत बढ़िया जगह।
कभी कभी का मतलब एग्जाम के एक रात पहले।
एक रात पहले। और उसमें भी करना चाहिए। बकचोदी रुकनी नहीं चाहिए। हाँ, उसमें भी बकचोदी रुकनी नहीं चाहिए।
And what about those like who wanted to like really attain good CGPA? For them it is good to like study just 2 or 3 days before. Like it is enough or not? Like I am just asking.
It really depends, like how much you are able to grasp in class. हम लोग क्लास में relate कर लेते थे. We used to pay attention in class, and so before 2 or 3 days was just like revising the whole thing. So that works. But if you have सिर्फ बकचोदी करिए पूरे सेमेस्टर और फिर तुम एक्सपेक्ट करते हो।
Depends on the course.
On the course, very much. कोर्स पढ़ाया कैसे गया है? That ये ईसी का होके बोल रहा है। ईसी का होके एरो वालों का दर्द समझता है।
It was nice conversation with you. Okay, one last question. Okay, you answered some. Okay, why IIST? Like, why IIST?
I'll reiterate the same point. If you want opportunities in space science, right? If you want to contribute, 3 branches in this college. There are only 3 branches: aerospace engineering, ECE, avionics, and EP. And all 3 of these have these courses aligned with space science. Whatever you are learning here, it will be directly applicable to your.
Omkar, I personally wanted to ask a simple question. Do you have any girlfriend?
क्या होता है भाई?
Bro, okay. So ये हमारे क्लास का CR है. So we will ask some few questions with him. Okay. So Ashwin.
Yes.
One thing you will do if you are assigned as a dean of our college, like you will change any role.
Yeah. फर्स्ट थिंग तो ये जो इन टाइम है वो बकचोदी बंद कर दूंगा।
End time.
इन टाइम की बकचोदी बंद कर दूंगा। दूसरी बात, कैंपस में कहीं भी घूम सकते हो, ये फ्रीडम फर्स्ट ईयर्स को भी मिलना चाहिए। दूसरी बात जो है, जो हम मांगे बोलते हैं उनको एक्चुअल में करना चाहिए था। तो जैसे हमने स्विमिंग पूल की मांग की थी, जैसे और भी फैसिलिटीज़ जैसे हमने मांगी थी, जैसे हो सकता है, हाँ स्पोर्ट्स के लिए भी बोल सकते हो।
Expected CG. We just ended with our first semester. So what is your expected CGPA?
CG बात नहीं करते, नो कमेंट्स।
No comments. Okay. Name of your crush. Like, do you have any senior or PhD?
I don't know her name, but she's I don't kind of crush, but she seems like nice to me.
It was nice conversation with you. Thank you. Okay, so let's talk. Oh, these guys are sleeping. Hey bros, you are free right now? Do you have any 2 or 3 minutes for me, please? So I know your name, Harrier. Where from?
Well, I'm from Jammu and Kashmir.
You're from Delhi.
आई एम फ्रॉम भाई मेरे को नहीं पता होगा मैं कहाँ से हूँ.
Okay, so one thing you will do if you are assigned as a dean of our college, like you will change any role to be like flexible or course kind of anything.
Well, from my experience, what I've seen is there is really a lack of extracurricular activities. Though they say that there is a lot of activities, and there are, but they're not as refined as other colleges, you know. So, to put more force on it, because their main goal is academics, which sure, it's a college, but you also have to focus on extracurricular activities.
Yeah, from like apart from academics, we should be what good in extracurricular also. Any memorable moment from first semester, like any fun incident?
Well, all the fun we've had is with our friends. So probably playing music in class.
Sleeping in the class.
Yes,
Chalo.
that's pretty much every day.
Okay. Comment on our attendance, like attendance percentage 80.
Well, I didn't have that problem because I joined a little late, so I had that covered for me.
Okay. Any tips for your junior, like those who are preparing for J Advance? I wanted to be in IST in upcoming is for those any tips?
Well, due to some reasons, I wasn't able to clear my advance. I came here through a scholarship. So specifically for the advance and all these other examinations, don't stress too much because stress really plays with your brain and it will make you forget what you are studying. So what you really should do is focus on some topics which come majorly, and there are some topics which come majorly like mechanics and all, and they will be helpful in college because I am regretting not studying properly in 11th right now because engineering physics, that subject just okay. So yeah, focus on your studies, play, do whatever you want, but you know you should have that time to focus on your studies and just keep it going in a flow.
Okay. So as you know, we just ended our first semester. So what is your expected CG? Like, depending upon your hard work that you did. So any like rough idea? Expected CG.
Well, if I'm being completely honest, from what I saw here, from the subjects that we have in our first semester, and the result that I'm seeing a little bit, I believe I would get around 7 to 8 CGPA, which is very good for me because I came in late and these subjects are not my forte to say to.
Okay, nice. 7 to 8, decent one. Nice.
Yeah.
Things that you learned from this semester.
That Deepu sir thinks that this is the only subject, thermodynamics is the only subject that you have to study because he gave so many assignments. Like for 2 to 3 weeks, we were continuously just studying thermodynamics. We didn't have time to study anything else. That is one main thing.
Name of your crush from my IST. Do you have any?
No, not really. No.
Okay. So, one last question. Why IIST? Like you can go to the IIT or NIT now. So like why specifically?
Well, earlier, it is my dream to become a stellar astronomer, going to research for that, you know, so IST, space, all of that. Because of that, initially I was going for the AP branch, but I wasn't able to get it. I got aerospace through my scholarship. So yeah, that is better. And I guess, yeah, that's the main reason, space.
Okay. So what do you think? Like engaging in some relationships apart from like only studying academics, it is good or not? Like I'm just asking for me. Okay. So do you have any girlfriend? No. Okay. So I think I should not ask for to you.
No, well, the thing is, with relationships, obviously you have, you have to. You have to have people around you that can listen to you, that can, you know, hear what problems you have, or you can hear what problems they have. You know, there is good to have someone around, but obviously this being a studying environment, you know, you have to manage everything. So being in a relationship can work if you can make it work. Obviously it can work because we see many relationships around this campus.
Having someone like always good now, like for like अबे यार yes यार okay हाँ so okay thank you it was nice conversation with you so he is our topper of our batch Anshul Salve so we will ask about what is your expected CG first thing above 9 9.5 9 9.8 what
I am not expecting anything right now. I am just no expectations. Whatever I'll get, I am happy.
bro you did like hard work
I mean, I studied, but I don't know what I'm expecting. I have no expectations.
okay so one thing you will do if you are assigned as a dean of our college
One thing which I'll do first of all is make the football ground an actual ground, because that thing is pretty non-existent. So like that is one thing which I'll do, and second thing is have proper people in place of the TAs, because there are issues. Is all I will say.
okay any memorable moment from first semester like any fun incident
For instance, due to some reasons, our fan had been changed recently in our hostel room.
oh
Yeah, there were some experimentations going on,
मैं समझा।
and we realized some new things, which was very interesting.
okay so उसमें spring है ना
Yes, there.
Okay,
It was supposed to be anti, but now there are no springs. Basically,
if you know you know
you know, you know.
anything for your junior like those who are preparing for JID ones and wanted to be in as like in upcoming years for those any tips
Tips mainly is just yeah the same thing as many people said. Just don't think too much, and like just follow whatever you really enjoy doing, and just go for it. Basically, don't get carried away by what other people are saying.
okay so things that you learned from this semester
This semester I learned mostly that I don't know a lot of things, because after meeting a lot of people here, I found out that there are many things which I have no clue about, but people are very highly experts about. So like that was one thing which I learned, and then another thing was that I don't have to worry as much, because like before coming I was very worried how would things happen, because hostel life, first time going outside, but then I'm starting to learn that slowly you will get accustomed to things over time. You don't have to worry too much.
okay do you have any crush
None yet.
not
No
yet
one, not yet.
so any relationships like advice
No, none. I am not qualified.
do you have any
No, not exactly.
okay one last question why IIST like same question
I mean, I always wanted to go in this field, astrophysics and aerospace mostly, but like I didn't know about IIST actually at all. The only reason I knew about IIST was because of a typo. I had applied for IISc and I was checking the updates, and instead of C, I accidentally typed in T, and then I entered search, and then I found out that there is a college called as IIST also. And because this was more space centered, so that is the reason I just came here.
can I say it is better than IIT like
I mean, yeah, definitely. Like, I had a few options over there also, but then I weighed my options, talked with a lot of people, and like because the field which I am interested in, space specifically and aerospace designing, I feel like this is the best place because of all the facilities and its closeness to government place.
okay so Anshul it was nice conversation with you thank you so much bye bye so we will go to the our others friends and batchmates we will go to our next target and actually this room 211 so we guys are like after exams or after like classes we usually sit together here so I have like many friends in this room so he's my like batchmate and he's my friend also so first of all introduce yourself what's your name
Shivam.
You are from Delhi right
Yes.
okay so the first question that I wanted to ask like one thing you will do if you are assigned as a dean of our college like you will change any rule you wanted to change some rule
I think I would include more sports facilities like swimming pool and courts.
what about attendance
Attendance is okay.
80% is okay 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 any memorable moment from like first semester like any funny incident right
Dance
why you not joined IIT like after
was rank not up to the mark. That's why I'm here.
like you I think you got the IIT but like branch
Branch
problem
over IIT.
college मतलब branch Okay, so we just ended our first semester. So expected CG, any rough idea?
7 touch.
7 touch. Okay, nice. Okay, things that you learned from this semester.
Study daily. Study daily if you want.
ये सबको समझ आ गया होगा. Name of your crush, like in our college. You have any? You have any?
No, not.
No girls interaction. भाड़ में जाकर लड़ गया तुम. Okay, so it was nice. He is busy in some. Oh, he is reading some slides of what environmental it is. Oh, oh, he's playing BGMI. So Parth Sangal, one thing you will do if you are assigned as a dean of our college, like you will change any rule to like flexible to
the students to play PUBG from via Wi-Fi of IST.
Oh, nice. Like usually it is not. हाँ.
Exactly.
हाँ वो हमारे like वाईफाई से वो BGMI नहीं चलता उसके लिए we have to like use VPN. So
BGMI plus other informative videos.
Oh, so called informative. Okay, so any memorable moment from first semester, like any funny incident?
Funny incident, dance, that's it. Dance and eating together, which is nowadays very missing in these days of technical facilities.
Anything for your junior, like those who are like preparing for JEE Advanced, I wanted to be in IIST. Any tips for them?
First of all, don't compare IST with IIT because then I can compare you with the AI one. It's the same thing. So don't compare IIT with IST. IIT is a college where you can find many opportunities, but IST it's a research institution. So if you are very much interested in very much keen on this research for space science or for any humanities or environmental subjects, anything, then IST is for you.
Okay, nice one. So we just ended with our first semester. So what your expected CG? Like any rough idea?
CGPA? Yeah. I don't know. I should give above 6 will be
above 6.
Bro. If I get above 6, I will be low-key satisfied. Above 7 will be very much good.
Confident?
Above 8, I will give.
You did very hard work.
I will give you 40.
Oh, what? Above what margin was that?
7.
7?
Yeah.
Okay.
Above 8, no, above 8.
Above 8, okay. So, things that you learned from like this semester?
There's no. See, if you want, there are two types of people. One who wants to understand things way better than anyone else. One who wants to just gain the marks and get a good CGPA and get a job in ISRO and whatever. If you want to get good grades, no need to study all day. No need to study the entire week or the entire semester. Just study 1 or 2 days before the exam. That's it. But if you want to understand the topics, which is very much required in IST, then 2 to 3 hours per day is necessary.
I think
if you have interest, it's optional for everyone.
I think we should go to the second option. Like we are future scientists, so we should like read any topic
But
like
nowadays,
in a
but nowadays most of the people like they just want a job, 20 lakh, 20 LPA, 30 LPA. That's it. They don't care.
You were saying that reading to the last days of the exams, it will be you can get 20 LPA for that like those 2 or 3 studies.
Yeah, you can get.
So name of your crush. I know your crush name, but I wanted to listen from your mouth.
Who's my crush? Me. Who is my crush? I can tell your crush. I can tell your crush.
No. So it was nice conversation with you. Bye. Thank you. So now we have like other boys also. So Ali, you are free right now for 2 minutes. Okay. So we have Ikushman Tiwari here and okay. Show Ikushman. Where are you from?
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh में किधर?
Shakti Nagar, Varanasi.
Okay. Please, if you can come to our party. Okay, go there. We have like very little space here. Okay. What's your name?
Ali Murabbi.
And where are you from?
MP Indore.
One thing. Ali and Ikushman, one thing you will do if you are assigned as a dean of our college.
Food.
Improve mess food,
Definitely.
Yeah, food.
sports facility.
And canteens. Few more canteens.
few more.
Better canteens.
We
With,
have only one now.
yeah.
Anything for our junior, like those who are preparing for J Advance right now and want to be in IST in upcoming years? For those, like any tips or kind of?
Just clear JEE, you will be there.
Think twice before coming.
So we have just ended with our first semester. So what is your expected CGPA? Like depending upon your hard work that you guys did, what is expected CGPA?
3.1.
8.
Okay. मैंने एक फ्रेंड से पूछा, he said a positive number. Okay. Things that you learned from this semester.
How to not fail. How to not fail. But still fail.
How to not take tension.
Not take tension. Any relationship advice to our single friends?
Sorry. Wrong person.
Remain single.
Okay. Any memorable moment from first semester, like any funny incident that you remembered?
Funny incident. No funny incident. Everything serious. One Deepu.
Oh, Deepu.
Yeah. Same. Deepu is.
Okay. One last question. Why IIST? Like someone can go to like IIT and NIT na. Like why IIST specifically?
I wanted EC. The best college I was getting was IST. So
Because it is a specific college. If you have interest in a specific range, in a specific area, like space.
Okay. It was nice conversation with you guys. So thank you. Okay. So the video has ended, but I started for my cameraman because he left out. So we will ask same questions with him. I think he will probably get bored of like listening those same questions again and again. Okay. So first question, one thing that you will do if you are assigned as a dean of our college?
देखो मैं स्पोर्ट्स तो खेलता नहीं हूँ तो मुझे पता नहीं है स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटीज़ के बारे में और वही फ्रीडम और ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए मेरे को लगता है फ्रीडम की कमी है यहाँ पे
क्लोजिंग टाइम वही
हाँ वो सब उसको बढ़ाओ
ओके
अटेंडेंस का तो वही है कि अगर क्लास में जा रहे हैं तो टीचर ऐसा हो कि जो अच्छे से पढ़ाए तो फिर अटेंडेंस का कोई इशू ही नहीं है
ओके एनी मेमोरेबल मोमेंट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर लाइक एनी फनी इंसिडेंट
4 महीने निकल गए पता नहीं चला तो कंटिन्यूसली फ़नी मोमेंट्स थे बहुत अच्छा लगा
what is different from studying like during JEE and study like in colleges? What is difference in those things? Like it is not like that कि हम पढ़ते नहीं हैं in college में पढ़ते नहीं हैं. We have to like study to get a good CGPA. But what is the difference in those like studying during the that time and studying at this time?
जब JEE के समय मेरे को लगता है कोर्स डिफाइन था तो आप उन्हीं टेक्स्ट बुक्स में से पढ़ते थे और ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस करते थे और यहाँ के सबसे बड़ा चेंज यही आया कि